Good evening. Welcome to Curriculum Night at DeSanta Middle School. My name is McClelland and I'm your child's 6th grade advanced math teacher. If you need to communicate with me at any time during the school year, please do feel free to reach out to me. Email is certainly the best option, and I will respond to emails within 24 hours. If for some reason you don't hear from me, we have had quite a few issues with emails from outside the school system going straight to our spam. So please, if you don't hear from me within 24 hours via email, please reach out to me on my classroom phone. You'll probably have to leave a message as I will be teaching class, but I will certainly return your phone call. Also, really hope to hear from your students. The best way for them to message me is through It's Learning, and I do check my messages regularly in the evenings too. So if they have a question about an assignment, they can certainly reach out to me. We do offer a number of resources during the school day for students to receive extra help, but I also have a Wednesday morning help session at 8 a.m. If, however, your child is unable to make this help session, as I mentioned, we have a number of help sessions offered during the day, such as our AOLs on Tuesday and Wednesday, and also enrichment, which is third period on Friday. It's a work day, and that's a great time for your child to come and get extra help as well. It's Learning. I want to take a few minutes to talk about this because this is an incredibly important part of your child being successful in middle school and specifically in advanced math. Your child should be checking It's Learning every single day. They have a very busy day during the day with 7 different classes going on, a lot to keep track of, a lot to remember. So I encourage all students when they get home and had a little chance to rest to make sure they're checking It's Learning just to see if maybe there's something they've forgotten, a homework assignment they need to work on, an upcoming quiz. It also allows you as the parents to see what's going on in our classroom. I'm going to take a moment here to look at the It's Learning page. So this is my It's Learning course for advanced math. And in order to get to it, when your child goes to It's Learning and they go to their courses, they will have a drop down. Mine, of course, is filled with math classes, but theirs would be social studies, science, math, etc. So they would simply click on the advanced math class. And when they do, the view that they will see is the overview page. I'm actually going to switch this to the student page. All right. So they will see the overview page, which tells what we are doing this specific day. I recommend students look at the course by viewing it under Plans. Now, Plans, you do have another drop-down menu. You can choose to look at last week, all plans in the past, this week, or even by today. So if we look at this week, we see what we did yesterday, and then we're looking at today, which is our block day. So I have a list here of everything that we're going to be doing in the class, from the warm-up to a lesson that we're going to have, the practice, a formative check. I also have resources over here that are posted. So if your child has forgotten something at school, they can still complete the homework assignment, or if they're absent, they can still complete any work that we did in class. Another important place to look is resources. Over here in the tree, you'll see all the resources for our different units. Right now we're in Unit 1, obviously. And you can see all the different resources. These would be the notes that we've taken, practice sheets that we've done, videos. And if you keep scrolling down, you will also see a folder labeled Videos, Tutorials, and Extra Practice. Super important folder in advanced math. We move at a very rapid pace in this class. And I will teach a lesson, the students will practice on it, but there will be some lesson perhaps that your child does struggle with. This is their go-to resource. It is filled with all sorts of videos and extra help that they can get, including practice quizzes that they could take unlimited times. So I really encourage students to take that initiative. In an advanced class, they're going to have to spend that extra time outside of class working on that. All right. So again, I cannot emphasize enough the importance of having your child be a regular visitor to It's Learning, and for parents as well. It's helpful to understand what's going on in the classroom. All right, as far as the retake recovery process, this applies to summatives, which would be our tests. Students may retest up to a 90% the first semester and an 80% the second semester. In order to retake a test, there is a process they need to go through. They need to attend a help session. That can be one of the ones built into the school day, such as the AOL, or it could be my early morning one on Wednesday. They would need to make test corrections and successfully complete a relearn assignment of some sort, and then actually take the retest. One last thing I want to mention is that, as I said before, we do go at a very fast pace in this class. We are covering not just the 6th grade standards, but 7th grade standards as well. We include 1/3 of the 7th grade standards in 6th grade advanced math. And in fact, we don't even cover all the 6th grade standards because we have so much 7th grade standards to cover. The 6th grade standards that we do not cover are standards that your child was expected to have had in their advanced math class in elementary school, or that they took care of that work if they weren't in advanced math in elementary with the It's Learning summer course that they could take. This will be a class where your child will certainly be challenged. They will probably have a 1 or 2 scores in math on a quiz or a test that is a little bit lower than they're used to getting. But I tell the students all the time, if you're making 100 on every single thing in here, then I'm not doing my job to challenge you as an advanced math student. So I'm looking forward to a fantastic year with your child as I help them grow and explore more rigorous math content. Thank you so much.